There's something about slow mornings that just feels right. Not rushing, not checking notifications, just easing into the day. I like to keep my mornings simple, nothing fancy, just brushing up, washing my face, and waking up properly. Setting the tone for the day, natural light fixes everything. I make this smoothie every day. It's quick, it's easy, and honestly, I don't get tired of it. After that, quick shower, doing the hair rituals. Simple tea and ready for the day. Today's breakfast, egg omelette bagel and yes, some fries because balance. Alright, let's head out. I need to return something and pick up something else instead. Apparently everyone had the same idea today. And finally I tried the famous Ikea hot dogs. I don't know why it took me this long. They are simple, they are cheap, and honestly not bad at all. I didn't have much time today, but you probably need a full day to properly explore Ikea. It's like a maze, but in a good way. Alright, back home, time to assemble. The TV bench I picked up, and I think it's the perfect height and dimensions for this space, exactly what I needed. Also, this beautiful rug is from Ikea. It's a nice accent color and matches well with this white center table. I also grabbed a few more of these storage boxes. I already had some, but they fit perfectly inside this bench and they make everything look so much cleaner and super practical. Here's how the space looks now. Still not completely done, but it's getting there. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I will see you in the next one.